Hey people, what's popping? Kilo shele, again name me. Let's go there. Okay, wonderful people, beautiful people. It is your favorite Achalugo, Chidera Giselle on the microphone. If you are new to my channel, I am Chidera Giselle, a Nigerian lifestyle vlogger living in Orsu, Imo State. Welcome to my channel. So you guys, as you all know, I'm currently in the village, bringing you the few village content I can get before I go back to the city. So today, you guys know that this is rainy season. Like, it has been raining like mad recently. Yeah, so this is rainy season, and I just want to give you guys an update of how plants look during rainy season. The ones that have fruits, the ones that don't have fruits, the ones that are blossoming, the way everywhere looks, the way the land looks, both how farming goes during rainy season. So you're welcome to another video. From the background you can already see things here. Yeah, so let's just dive right into the video. You guys, can you remember this orange tree during December that I said that it has not finished, like the fruits are not yet out? Can you see that the orange tree is already looking very, very full? The fruits are already coming out, although it's not plenty because it's a really small tree. Can you see how small it is? It's a really small tree, but then the fruits are already coming out. So you guys, look at our pineapples. I really want to cry now. Can you see? There's no pineapple now. Okay, I just saw one, but I'm afraid of entering inside that bush. I don't like entering inside bush. But you guys can see, let me zoom it in. There's one pineapple there, manoka behaka, like it's not yet mature. You can see the fowls here. You can see the fowls. They're going around looking for what to eat, and anytime you want to eat fowl, we're just gonna catch one of them and eat it, although most times we usually still buy. That's the coconut tree. It has some fruits, but I don't think it's as if oranges come out more than once in a year. I think so. I really think so. This is the orange tree that we used to pluck fruits from a lot during Christmas time. Let me turn around because I think it's not clear from this angle. You guys are not seeing the fruits. This is that orange tree that we used to pluck. This one did not have any fruits during Christmas. Now that it was just big. There are actually two mango orange trees here now. This one and this one. Yeah, and the two of them already have fruit. Then these are ede plants, cocoyam. You guys know what cocoyam is. These are cocoyam plants. Hey! Oh my god, but you guys see another orange tree here. So making it 4 orange trees in this compound in total. Oh my god, Maya Botalewu. Maya's brought goats, so my ulo how but you makuja na tukwamu. I should not say that, guys. This is a goat house. That is a pregnant goat over there. This one is not pregnant. I don't know whether it's okay. It's female because the male goats, that one at that side is a male goat. I'm afraid of venturing inside this place, so I can't. Okay, let me take my camera closer. So, it's blur. Okay, that one over there that is white and black is a male goat. You can see the horns. It's from their horns that you know whether they are male or female. My okay. Don't wear a horn, who male. Don't wear horn, who female. Last Christmas, I mentioned that there were no goats here because they ate something and all of them died, something like that. But now Maya has brought 3 big goats. Before there used to be 4 actually. They will be at 4 corners of the place, and she has gotten irewu for them. I don't know the name of this particular leaf, but they eat palm leaves. Yes, from palm trees. They eat this one that you are seeing now. They eat cassava leaves. They eat anything leaves, and you have to go and get it for them and bring it into here. Because if you leave them to go out by themselves, your goat is gonna lose.
I planted it there. See, the main bed. See the main bed. So I want to use the nursery bed to make the main bed. That's why I'm removing the small.
So you guys, can you see Mai's hoe? She's using it to She's using it to plant. So I think is it to use an Is it dig? A bit what? A bit clear the floor. You can see how she's using it. That is how a hoe is used. Please, if you know how to farm well, identify in the comment section. I'm so ashamed of myself. I don't know how to farm again. I'm so ashamed. Actually, when I was in the village, when I was in secondary school, I used to come to village. There was a year I farmed though. Maybe like I went to farm once or twice. But honestly, I've forgotten everything. And that time we went to farm, it was for cassava. Yeah, but even the cassava self, I never sabi as they take the drum again. I knew how to peel cassava, process it. I knew how to do ukwa, all those many things. But like they say, practice makes perfect. Because I've not been practicing it, I can't remember any of it again. Like, look, I've never planted anga, but see how I'm asking the mind many questions. Like, I'm out of here with nursery bed. I'm sure I learned it in secondary school. I can't remember what it is. Anyways, it is what it is. Hey, what's the name of this? This ugu abi pumpkin. Abi? Okay. Honor. Okay. I thought okay, it's not pumpkin actually, but this is how pumpkin used to be. Now pumpkin and not do naturally.
It has three
this 3-leaf yam now. That's the English name, Honor. 3-leaf yam. Okay, so I made a mistake. It's not pumpkin, it's 3-leaf yam. Wow, so there'll be plenty. I love Honor. Honor yam and oil sauce. They are so nice, so sweet. So you guys.
Very costly.
Yes, and they ready and here. Na here na imere travel and they ready and in case. So this is a palm tree. Ma, you can palm tree. Palm tree. Coconut tree. Why is it looking like palm tree? After you tell me that it does not look like palm tree. It's only here you have palm tree. It's coconut. But it looks like palm tree that is still small, abi. You palm tree caperempe. Mine, this is a coconut tree, a small one. I think that bed. Then mine can plantain now. Plantain, but it can be banana sometimes.
No, banana is just different.
Banana is the same thing with plantain. This thing now.
They look the same. They are not. They look alike.
Their trees are alike, but they are not the same. The trees are alike. So me, I don't know how to differentiate the two of them. I always say banana or plantain.
Not the same.
I'm not talking about seed. Don't put that now. I'm not put that food this thing now. You got one plantain or banana. You will not know the exact one now. Either plantain or banana. Yes, the fruits you put it matters in Kawabi. But they look alike.
Mine is saying that she looks at it, she will know which one is which.
Yeah. Mine is an expert now. So you guys, there are so many plantain trees here. I love how neat this place is. Like, it's so neat. But you guys, mine is the most hardworking woman I know on earth. Honestly, like, she's so hardworking. So these are plantain. These are plantain trees, and this is firewood. You give up Patarankunila. Hey, man, just all mine does is walk. She got these firewoods from the bush. These are cassava plants. They're still coming up. Then we are building a fence here. The fence is being built here. So the workers are here. These are the blocks. You can see this is the sand that is being used. They have really gone far. This is another orange tree. So there are like 5 orange trees in our Mbubo. That's our garden. Mbubo is garden in this thing. So like in our house, 5 orange trees. That's so massive. This is another coconut tree. It's so clear that this one is a coconut tree because it's already grown. And I think the difference between coconut tree and palm tree is that the leaves, like the leaves are green and yellow for coconut trees, but for palm trees they are pure green. Yeah, so like I was saying, a fence is being constructed. You can see how far the fence has gone. It has already started from here and it's going round. They have gotten to this level. See, there are so many blocks. They're still molding more blocks. You guys are currently on our way to Mai's farm. Yes, we're going to her farm. her cassava farm, so she wants to go and show us around the farm. So when we get there, I'll come back on camera. You can see so many palm trees and coconut trees and all of that. You can see, look at how tall most of them are. Like, if not for anything, Eastern Nigeria is blessed with palm produce. Like, we are blessed with palm produce. We have a lot of palm produce in Eastern Nigeria, and they always have fruits. Like this one, I'm showing the video. My video is not showing it clearly. I mean, my camera is not showing it clearly, but it has a lot of fruits, a lot of palm nuts and all of that. But I don't think they are already mature. But the village is so beautiful. Like, look at how nice the video quality is. Like, I don't even need much editing. I just need to cut and join, and it's going to be ready. You guys, here is Mai's cassava farm. Mai, when will the cassava be ready for harvesting?
As for next year, no?
Next year? Hey, not December. Mai, what plant is this?
It's green.
Green, okay.
Green amaranth.
Hey, green amaranth.
And it's the arena.
Okay, so.
Amaranthus SP.
Okay. So green amaranth. There's a very tall palm tree here. But this is her cassava farm. So you can see, I think I already showed you guys grown cassava farm. Jesus, this your farm is massive. Hey, the farm is very massive. This is so massive. Like, so how many plots is this? About 3 plots of land. You guys, you know what that means? If it's in Lekki that you're getting 3 plots, you need billion. Okay, let me not exaggerate. Hundreds of millions. So here is her cassava. I'm panting because where we came from is kind of far. That's why I'm panting. So you can see how small these ones are. In the next how many months now, you see how grown they will be. Here demarcation fence.
Demarcation.
Yeah. So you guys, this is a demarcation for this thing, for the farm demarcation. Because you guys, if you know what land dispute is, if you have witnessed land disputes or you have heard stories of land disputes, you would know how important this fence is. Like, this fence can save lives. Because there are some families, there are some lineages that have been cleared because of land disputes. Some families have been cleared because of land disputes. Some people have lost their fathers, their mothers. Okay, Oh, they call here log. Okay. Because what?
The fought here.
So, according to what Mai is saying, our forefathers fought here. The fight was the fight about land.
The land now.
Okay, they fought for the land. That's already an answer. So there was even a land dispute on this particular part before it was later settled. So you are supposed to know that this demarcation is so important, because according to what Mai is explaining for us, there's a man, even the man that even did the demarcation by himself, that nobody should encroach on his land. So land disputes are so risky. So many people die because of land disputes, and I have this belief that if they are fighting over a land, I'm not going to get that land, and if I'm the owner of the land and somebody comes to get it and starts claiming it, the kind of human being I am, I'm just going to let it go, because I know what lands can do to people. Like, when I say some people are in bondage, like age-long bondage, they're in bondage because of fights relating to land. So if you are here and you're having any land disputes, you check, if you see that the person you are fighting with is a dangerous person, if you check it very well, please know whether you leave that land for that person. Don't do this thing. Don't go fight for land and then die and put your lineage at risk. You can always buy a land. I know some people will disagree with me, but that's just my belief. Instead of dying over it, just let it go. Many people died here. Okay, this thing I'm saying, like, I know it. I've not seen anyone physically with my eyes, but I've heard so many stories of land disputes. Some people that even in their family up to today, they will say they are having setback, many things, to be that somebody that they are dragging land with that took them to Dibia. All those things exist. Everything you see in Hollywood movies exists in real life. So that's the importance of that demarcation. Demarcate and have peace of mind. And if you are fighting for it, just let it go. you guys, who knows what a scarecrow is? If you know what a scarecrow is, can you identify in the comment section? So this is a scarecrow. People usually use it for their farms. I read of it in primary school in some novels. So the first time I came to the village when I was younger, I was surprised to see a scarecrow. But the purpose of a scarecrow is because of animals or rodents that come to like destroy your crops when you farm something. Maybe the way this person has planted their cassava and everything, a certain animal or creature can come, scatter everything, destroy the crops, and the farmer will be at loss. Like this one is only one. In some farms you can see up to 10 scarecrows. Like they just put it in strategic points. I don't know why mine did not put scarecrow in this cassava farm, because I can remember there's one in another part of our village in Hungo. She had so many scarecrows in that particular farm. So when those animals see it, the idea of this thing is when they see it, they will feel like there are humans here, there's somebody here. They will not know that this is not a human being, that they just used wood. You can see wood, nylon and cloth to design this. They will think it's a human being. So they won't come to the farm and destroy the things in the farm. So that's the purpose of this thing you're seeing here. This is not my farm, this is somebody else's farm. It just caught my eyes. So I decided to make a video about it and educate you guys on scarecrows. So let's continue. I see an olive tree. Oh my god, yes, a sycamore tree. Sycamore. According to mommy, sycamore. So this is a sycamore tree. Can you guys see? This tree is so fruitful. Like there are so many olives on it. This is the tree that Zacchaeus climbed in the Bible. Let me even shift back so you guys can see how tall it is, so that we can have an inkling of how tall Zacchaeus was before Jesus found him. My hands are already paining me from vlogging, but can you see this big mass? This is a forest, like a freaking forest, and people's farms are in between these places. Like when you say a place is a village, my village is a village. It is not a town village, it's a village. Water, see. Oh, see sunflowers. But why don't they have? I think they're still coming out. They don't have this thing. The nectar, that thing in between them. Yeah, this is the way to Ohiara, that stream I went to during Christmas. I don't think I'll be able to go to the stream this period because there's no one to go there with me, and I'm just staying in villa for 1 or 2 days. So you guys, I want to believe you all learned a thing or two from this video, or you saw something I have not seen for so many years in this video. So if you enjoyed this video, do give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my YouTube channel, share this video. Let's move this ministry to the permanent site. Yeah, share this video. Like this video is supposed to be longer, but you know I don't like long videos, and I feel this one is already too long. Anyways, I'm going to be seeing you guys in my next video. For now, bye, kiss, love you.